Hey sis, welcome back. So this is the palette. This is the Tropical Twilight Tammi and Revolution Makeup Revolution collab. So this is what she looks like. I already showed her in a video, I think a haul video. I'm not too sure the name of it at the moment, but I'm super excited about, what was that? I'm super excited. I'm super excited about using the shimmers in this palette because the shimmers, if you don't know about this palette, the shimmers are like spongy, like squishy. So I'm interested to see how that's gonna work. So I'm not gonna lie to you, it was a bit of a struggle to figure out what to do. But yeah, but this is what I came up with. So I tried to spice it up a little bit. I did use one of the pressed glitters. I used Firefly. Firefly is a green or turquoise. A turquoise with a copper? Orange? Yeah, orangey copper. So you can see the copper there, but you can see the turquoise right there. So I used a little bit of that and not too much because I didn't want, because it's a deep green color. And I didn't want the green to show up too much on top of the green I already put. Because when you have dark glitter on a light base, it makes it look dirty. And I didn't want that. I wanted more of the blue and the orange to show through. And I think I did a pretty good job. Now, on to, what is this, Promises. I use this one right here. It's one of the squishy shimmer colors. I will probably have to go back and watch Tammy's tutorial on how she used these shimmers because, like I said, I've never used this type of formula before with these squishy, mushy shimmer eyeshadows. It was a bit rough applying it. I'm not gonna front. They're pigmented. She's pigmented. She's there, but it was a little rough. I'm like, I don't know if this is going to stick. It eventually stuck down, but maybe next time I think I might use my NYX, my fault, my bad. I might use the NYX Glitter Primer. That's what it looks like to have a tackier base because I use the NYX eyeshadow primer and it's tacky, but it's not as tacky as this glitter primer. So maybe next time I'll use that, or maybe I might try it out for this eye. But yeah, with these shimmer eyeshadows, it's definitely a learning curve for me. But anyways, I've already talked too much. We gonna get into it. You ready? Buckle up. Get into it. Get into it. Don't lie. You see it. The palette. I like this palette. I didn't have any major issues. The only thing that I will have to like adjust to is how putty these shimmer eyeshadows are. They're very new to me. And you did see me use my finger to apply it, but I saw no difference from using my finger or the brush, so it's kind of either or with that one. Sunrise. I use Sunrise as blush, which is this one. Super super powdery. It had a lot of kickback in the pan. I think I showed y'all. If not, my bad. But yeah, it has a lot of kickback, and I barely just touched the eyeshadow with the brush, and it just like exploded. But it still it's still really pretty on the skin, and it blends out really well. The pressed glitter shadow that I used, Firefly, which is that one right there, worked really well. I had no issues with it. And I also used Starlight in the inner corner. So this one is Starlight. Both of them worked well. I didn't really need to add a tacky base to make them stick to my eyelid. But yeah, that is it for the first look. I hope you enjoy it. And girl, sis, I know you're gonna stay tuned for the second look. Don't try me. You saw the second look in the thumbnail and you was like, let me stay for the next one. Cause you know it's gonna be good. Don't play me like that. Don't play yourself like that. Bye, girl. Alright, so time for round 2. As you can see, I already did one eye because I just want to move things along a little bit. Now, it was a bit of a struggle, but we got here in the end. I had a totally different look plan, but it is what it is. I've never done this color combination before with a purple, deep purples, and a deep navy blue and gold. I really like how this came out. It is so pretty. I did change up the primer that I used for my cut crease because I noticed that the shimmer did better with base, the NYX glitter primer, and the gold is so pretty, and I highly recommend you use this base instead of a regular eyeshadow base. But we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna tell you the colors that I used. I used okay, a little dirty. True Love, Twilight, and Nightfall, and Sunrays. So Sunrays, True Love, Twilight, and Nightfall. Okay? There are no words. There are no words. All right, let's wrap it up. So this is the final look. Do you like it? Now, my only con with this palette are the mushy shimmers. They're the creamy shimmer formula that I've never used before. Obviously until now, you see you push in and it leaves an imprint. There's definitely a learning curve that I have to figure out because where did I put it away? NYX glitter primer did not work. It worked, but the eyeshadow is just so wet and creamy that it just broke down the primer, and it creased really bad. Like, it was like I didn't have any eyeshadow there. Like, you could see my skin. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I gotta find a primer that dries down completely, and then I can apply this type of formula to my eyelid, or use these eyeshadows as maybe like a topper for a matte eyeshadow. I don't really know, but if y'all know like a little trick to how I can best use these shimmer formulas, please let me know, because I am confused and I really like this palette. But anyways, sis, my good Judy, that's it. It's over. Go to the next video, subscribe, like the video, comment something cute and sassy. And you know what you gotta do? You have to stay in your lane. You have to wear your mask. Black Lives Matter. Thank God a certain someone is not gonna be our president anymore. Don't come for me. Come for your mama, okay? Don't do it. Don't do it. And take your vitamins.